Hello, dear visitors of our TED Show. Today we are so happy to see you on the presentation of Final Project Group 16. Here are all of our members, and let's go because it's gonna be so interesting for you to find out about NLP. It's very simple. We have dataset and we use different methods to analyze it. So our dataset is chosen from website Kaggle. It's file mental manip, topic detecting manipulation and its techniques. And the question our team said is, can we detect manipulation early enough to prevent harm? Because it's obvious, reasonable to be fast and not to be late. So let's go forward. This is one of the most important slides in this presentation, and it's called Analytical Approach and Model. Dear viewers, we don't have code in this presentation, but in words we can express what we have done. We have done basic statistics, missing value check. We remove duplicates, visualize distribution of manipulative labels, manipulative technique frequency, convert raw dialogues into clean, normalized token sequences, fast text vectorization, handle class imbalance, logistic regression, and finally evaluation. And the last one is important to note that they used models, and these models are binary classifier, multi-label classifier in logistic regression, and escalator model selection in others. And I can also add to the slide that our important finding is that persuasion, seduction, and belittlement are very popular in manipulators. That's what we found. And in my opinion, it is not obvious, and so that it's interesting. Okay, uh, as the next slide about metrics. Our metrics are precision, recall, phi1, Hamming clause, micro, macro, phi1. So here are specific results. You can spend time analyzing them. I will not dig into these numbers, but these two are for boundary classification results, and all others are multi-level overall metrics. But I must add for the slide that why we have used, for example, recall metrics. So recall is our most important metric because missing a manipulative dialogue is considered more harmful than a false alarm. So it's better to say that there's alarm than miss this important information. Yes, and that you, our TED visitors, I know it's very hard to summarize all this information if you don't have background, so we have summarized it for you. In the end of Google Colab, you can see summarizing what we have done in previous steps, how we visualize results from steps, again, but in slightly different way, with comments for insight 1, insight 2, insight 3, and insight 4. And also, finally, user is given option to enter plus or minus to five questions. And the most important, we give feedback based on this questionnaire. Okay, and also a few interesting facts that actionable insight, as we found, is that the most popular words in manipulation is word not. Uh, it is even obvious, but it's important to state it. Okay, we also find one limitation, as our model can reflect cultural biases present in the source dataset. And the last one, we give our concrete recommendation to user actually in step 3. Based on the questionnaire, we give feedback. So that we have analyzed and discussed everything, and I guess you're satisfied with our presentation and wish us luck in the future research on this topic. Thank you so much. Bye.